We're the captain, of the winning team, Hydel. First of all, Ronald, outstanding performance. You've managed to win again. How are you feeling right now?
Well, I'm feeling great, our first match in the Champions Cup and we got our 3 points. It's a great feeling.
Yeah, you guys, Hydel not being a traditional football school, coming in and making all these waves. Topping its quarterfinal group and now coming out in the Champions Cup and winning big. How do you feel about that, building a culture in the school?
Well, it's good, because Hydel is known for shocks and for the football team to reach this far, it's good. We set a standard for the younger generation of football at Hydel to live up to.
You came into today's game, you guys are off to a slow start, giving up 2 early goals. What were you thinking after the second goal went in on you guys?
Well, players started to drop there. I told them that it's early in the game and we just have to continue to fight and play our game and we'll get the 3 points, and we did.
Did you really believe at that point that you guys could come back, or were you just saying that because you're the captain of the team?
No, I believe because it's really early and those were our mistakes to so they got that 2 goal and we just get back for him, so we're grateful.
After the 2 goals, you guys started to control the game. You started to move the ball around. Did you feel that the goal was coming very soon?
Yeah, but we just had to stick to our game plan and play and say we got it.
You guys went into halftime at 2-1. What kind of confidence did that Henry goal give you guys right before the half?
Well, when you get back that 1 goal from Omar Henry, it's lift get the players them back to their feet and lift them so they know that we have hopes to win this game.
You guys came out in the second half and absolutely dominated the game. Speak to us about Hydel's second half performance.
Well, the second half performance was really good, but the first half was really bad. But when we came out in the second half, started to play our game and we look better.
And yourself individually, you played a calm and composed game, sitting in front of your defense and then pushing forward. Speak to us about your individual performance.
Well, I wouldn't really say it's great, but it's good, can work on more things,
Alright, so 2 semi-finals. You guys are in. How are you feeling about making such a big achievement?
I'm feeling really good to know that it's my first season playing in the schoolboy football and I've made it to the Manning Cup semi-finals and the Champions Cup semi-finals. It's really good.
And what are you going to tell your team to prepare them for the upcoming games?
Well, just have to stay focused, head back to camp and then go to training and then we'll see what coach has for us.
Alright, congrats again, Captain. Good game.
Alright, thank you.